Today we're going to be making this warmingly delicious cream of broccoli soup. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. On the menu today is a really tasty broccoli soup with a couple of extra veggies thrown in for good measure, plus plenty of toppings too, because I love my toppings. We're going to start by adding a tablespoon of olive oil to the pan. Now we're going to add a large diced onion to that pan and cook for a couple of minutes until the onion starts to soften. Now we're going to add in the cauliflower and broccoli. I've got a full head of each chopped into florets. Into that goes 1.5 litres of stock. I'm using chicken stock, but if you wanted to make a vegetarian version, you could just use veggie stock instead. Add in half a teaspoon of garlic salt and bring to the boil and then simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to add in 90 grams or 3 packed cups of kale and cook for a further 5 minutes. At this stage, I'm going to fry off some croutons in a pan because I love toppings on soups. Cook some bread cubes in a tablespoon of vegetable oil with a pinch of salt and pepper over a high heat until nice and crispy. At this point, I'm going to take the soup off the heat and blitz carefully using a stick blender. Give it a good blitzing, then place back on the heat. Add in 100 grams or a packed cup of grated strong cheddar cheese, 4 tablespoons of double or heavy cream and a pinch of salt and pepper. Add a good squeeze of lemon juice, about a tablespoon. Give it a stir and cook for another couple of minutes until the cheese is melted. Divide into bowls and drizzle with a little oil and cream and add in those fried crispy croutons. I also like to add a few baby leaves and chilli flakes too. And that's my comforting cream of broccoli soup, packed with healthy veggies and made all the more comforting with the addition of cheese, cream and those crispy croutons. It's going to make a fantastic lunch. See you next time.